Hello and welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another video of Share, an app that gives you voice, with me, Sebastian, where I show you the features of Share, the app meant to bring to people with some sort of language problem a whole new level of easy communication and intuitive expression. Today I'm going to show you the edit mode, which is perhaps the most powerful feature of Share and also perhaps the most hidden. Let's start with cleaning this up, and I say it's time we change the color again. As you can see here in the settings tab, there's quite a lot of color choices available. This is quite somber, let's go for that. And while we're in the settings, let me also show you that you can here change the type to uppercase if you prefer that, if it makes it easier for you to read text, which is not uncommon for people with language problems to find. And you can also adjust the speed of the speech synthesis, our lovely robot voice. If you press here, you come to the inbuilt guide. That also shows you the features of Share. Read more about us and the app here in the About page, and reset the app. The reset function is important for edit mode, which we will explore now. Here, with a gray background, we simply go into the tiles, which here are orange. And as you can see here, food looks different from all the others. We will look at how to create your own tiles here and now. You access edit mode through this button. And now you're in a very special place where the normal rules no longer apply. You cannot reach the board while in edit mode. You can only work here within the tiles. So here we now have our categories, and here, all of a sudden I grabbed hold of photos, which means that I can move photos. Now it's there, and previously it was to the left of texts. And you also saw here maps. I have already previously made a map of Sweden. In edit mode, I can simply by pressing, holding and dragging move this up. So now I put it here up in the top category, where all the others main categories reside. But you see here it's empty. That's because it's now a main category icon and symbol, meaning that it can be containing other subcategories. So for example, here you see animals. I can now, whilst in edit mode, move animals into this new Sweden category that I made. And now you see animals disappeared and they appeared down here. I don't actually want to do that though, so I'm going to move animals back up. And to be honest, I'm not very fond of this Sweden map. I think I'm going to remove it. You can only remove tiles within this box when it's in the tile view, as long as you are in edit mode. Only then can you permanently delete tiles that you have. So I hold and press and the X appears, click it, and away it goes. That is how you can take away tiles that you no longer need, because they will stack up. As you can see here, the various things I've done here, and that's me by the way, all the tiles you create for OmniTool and whatnot, they end up here by default, so that you will always have the tiles you created, meaning that you'll have to go in and do some housekeeping from time to time, and especially so for texts, which are also saved, and they can definitely stack up after a while. So you might want to go in and delete them now and again. Now, this is only half the fun with edit mode though. Let's say that we want to add a bit more flair to this. The icons we've chosen, which by the way are from a site called the Noun Project, is they're very nice. We think they're very clean, but they're also kind of cool, and I'm sure you want to add your own personal flair. So now we have animals, photos, and here are these dogs that I personally find so hilarious. So now that we have chosen our photo instead, we press accept, and all of a sudden the animals category now has my own photo in it instead. And this is how you can create your own library of tiles exactly the way you want it. You have to be a bit careful though. And this way you can make Share into what you want it to be. You can take away tiles that you don't want, you can rename them, You can give them a new face, a new look, and give them a completely new hierarchy, the way that it makes sense to you. This is a quick overview of the edit mode, the perhaps most powerful feature of Share that enables you to make the tool, well, whatever you want it to be. Full customization is offered within this feature. So, with those words, see you next time.